In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Cloudways and Cloudflare for a high-performance WordPress setup. A lot of people treat this like an either-or decision, but these two services do very different jobs. Cloudways is the managed cloud hosting platform where your WordPress site actually runs. It handles your server resources, your database, and PHP processing. Cloudflare, on the other hand, sits in front of your site as a global DNS security and caching layer. So instead of choosing one over the other, the real goal is learning how they work together. Before you connect anything, it helps to understand the architecture. Think of your WordPress site like a secure building. Cloudways is the building itself, including the infrastructure inside that keeps everything operating. Cloudflare is the protective and delivery layer outside the building, filtering traffic, blocking threats, and serving cached content from locations closer to your visitors. That separation is what makes this setup so powerful. To begin, sign in to your Cloudways account from your browser. Once you're inside the dashboard, open the Applications area and choose the WordPress application you want to connect. In the Access Details or Application panel, locate and copy the public server IP address. You'll need that in the next stage, so keep it handy. Next, open a new browser tab and sign in to Cloudflare. Add your domain if it hasn't already been added, then choose the appropriate plan, including the free option if that fits your needs. Cloudflare will scan for any existing DNS records. From there, go into the DNS section, add an A record for your root domain, enter the @ symbol in the name field, and paste in the Cloudways server IP as the destination. Make sure the record is set to proxied so traffic passes through Cloudflare's protection and performance layer, then save it. After that, Cloudflare will provide name servers for your domain. Copy those name servers and go to the dashboard of your domain registrar. Replace the old name servers with the new Cloudflare ones and save the changes. This gives Cloudflare control over DNS routing for the domain. If you want a faster alternative, Cloudways also offers a Cloudflare add-on inside the application dashboard. With that route, you can activate Cloudflare features directly from Cloudways without manually managing a separate setup at your registrar. Whichever method you choose, go back to Cloudways and open domain management for your application. Enter your live domain and set it as the primary domain. This tells the server exactly which website address it should respond to. Finally, review everything before launch. Check that the domain is resolving correctly, confirm SSL and security settings are active, and make sure both Cloudways and Cloudflare show healthy status indicators. Once that looks good, your hosting and Edge network are working together the way they should. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.